Hello, everybody. My name is Alex Stevenson. I'm the Member Services Representative here at CAR, and today I wanted to walk you through the steps that you need to take in order to change the Shackle code to your lockbox. So, what you're going to need are the lockbox that you are going to want to change, as well as access to your Supra eKey app. Now, you want to pull up your app, go to the home screen, and then at the top left-hand corner, you should see the My Key Boxes option right in there. Now the My Key Boxes option will list out any lockbox that you have accessed the Shackle for. So some of those might not be your boxes, and in a different video I can go and walk you through those steps on how to delete those items off of this list so that you don't get the notifications for the showings of boxes that aren't yours. But in this instance, My Key Boxes for me lists the one key box that I have assigned to myself for this training purpose. Now, the My Key Boxes, if you do not see a lockbox that you own in this list, all you have to do is do the Add Key Box option at the very top of the screen, type in the Shackle code, and activate the box. But in this instance, I already have it assigned to me, so the list is going to be comprised of the key box serial numbers that should be on the side of every key box. Click on the key box that you wish to change, and it will populate with two boxes, one on top of the other. One is Program, the other is Edit. Program on top, Edit below. One box that we need to be working with right now is the Program one. So when I press that, it populates with a whole bunch of information regarding the lockbox that I have selected, from battery percentage that is left to the time frame that agents and inspectors, anybody accessing the box, has, the time frame that they can access that box, as well as the main piece of information that we need is the Shackle code, which is the first line in that second data set in the middle of your screen. So if we press on that, it will ask us to change the shackle. It will ask you to then confirm that change. So I'm going to change this shackle. And when I do that, and for security, I did not show you. When I do that, it will then be able to be pressed save. So when I press save right there, you'll see a slight change in my screen, in being that the program button that was grayed out at the very bottom right can now be clicked. You want to click that and it'll ask you for the shackle code. Now the biggest thing that people get tripped up by is the shackle code that they want to enter is the new one. What it's asking you for is the old shackle code that you are changing it from. Basically a last-ditch security measure to make sure that you know previous shackle code and that you are authorized to make this change. So in this instance, I know that shackle code, and if my sound is on, it will start beeping for me to activate the box, or you can know that it wants to be activated by this line of text right up here. So if you take your box, activate it, pressing up on the bottom, seeing that there's a red blinking light right here, and we'll wait, and I got a success message, yay, which means that it was successfully changed. Whenever you get a success message, I always encourage everybody to go through and get to the Open Shackle on the home screen and test that you changed it appropriately. Nothing worse than going and trying to put a key box on a listing and finding out that you changed it to the wrong shackle code and now you don't know. But those are the basic steps that you need to take in order to get into and change the shackle code for your lockbox. If you have any issues along the way, CAR staff are more than happy to help you. Just feel free to give us a call. Other than that, good luck.